Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can add another Instagram account. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and your profile page will load up. Here, tap on the hamburger menu at top, then select settings and a list of features will be displayed. On this page, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you can see that there is an option to add another account. Simply tap on it and it will ask if the account you are trying to connect is an existing one or you want to create a new one. I will select the first option and the login page will open up. Now enter the credentials and the account will be added instantly. So that's basically how you can add another Instagram account. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.